Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Rust not launching, or it just keeps crashing, or it's stuck in a black screen every time you try launching it. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to the search bar, type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can make your way over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver. Now from here what you can do is go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is just by going over to the NVIDIA app directly and then just going over to drivers and then go ahead and select just update it and install it from here if any update is available. I'll also recommend restarting your PC right after. Now the second method you guys can try doing is by, if the game does launch but like it crashes after every 5 minutes, what you can do is go ahead and just turn down your settings. So go ahead and turn down your graphics settings, so everything like set to low or medium. You can also try turning down your resolution, and that should also not only give you FPS boost, but it will also help stop the crashes. And once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.